Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox EZCast Office Sync, the all-new wireless conferencing solution designed to make collaboration smarter and easier. Meetings can start instantly with simple plug and play. The display switches seamlessly to the big screen, allowing everyone to join with clear and stable visuals. Inside the box, you'll find the Office Sync unit, essential accessories, and a simple quick start guide. A clean and minimal design, while everything you need is ready when you open it. Forget about complicated settings. With just a few simple connections, Office Sync is ready to use. Office Sync can work seamlessly with conference cameras, delivering every detail of your meeting with clarity. Once connected, the camera audio-video integrates directly into the online meeting app. Both the laptop screen and the camera video will be instantly displayed on the big screen. Preparing for a meeting has never been this effortless. Supporting up to 1080p resolution and transmission range up to 50 meters, it easily adapts to different meeting spaces. Whether your team prefers Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or Webex, Office Sync works seamlessly across platforms without additional setup. With WPA3, your conversations remain private and secure, so you can share ideas without concerns. Equipped with smart channel hopping, Office Sync automatically adapts to interference, keeping both video and audio stably and smoothly. Office Sync is the perfect wireless solution for every meeting room, designed for businesses and teams that value efficiency and simplicity, with a setup that takes only a few minutes. In addition to video conferencing, Office Sync also supports local wireless display without notebooks, such as document cameras, digital microscope, and endoscopes through USB UVC interface. For example, by switching to transmitter-receiver only mode, Office Sync can display visuals from a document camera directly onto the big screen. Whether they are documents, textbooks, or physical objects, every detail is shared instantly and wirelessly. This wireless solution perfectly combines screencasting and video conferencing into one, requires no IT skills, and can be set up easily by anyone.